Most people don't decide to downsize. Life decides for them. A health scare, a staircase that suddenly feels taller, adult children asking hard questions.
By the time they realize the home no longer supports their life, something urgent has already happened.
I don't want that for you, because moving into your next chapter shouldn't be a reaction. It should be a choice. Hi friends, I'm Tamara.
And I'm Ozzy. We guide homeowners 55 and over through one of the biggest transitions of their lives, moving into a home that actually supports who they are now, not who they were 20 years ago.
And here's what we've learned after hundreds of conversations. People rarely regret downsizing. They only regret waiting.
If you're thinking about downsizing, there's probably a good reason. But most homeowners push the decision down the road, not because the timing is wrong, but because the emotions are complicated.
Some of the top reasons that people delay, we hear this all the time. We don't know where to go.
We have too much stuff.
This house still feels like us.
What if we make a mistake?
We don't want to burden the kids. Here's the truth. Nobody talks about this, but these aren't real estate problems. They're identity problems. You're not choosing a smaller house. You're choosing a different version of your life.
Downsizing isn't about losing space. It's about gaining freedom. Downsizing should be about less maintenance, lower taxes, better lifestyle fit, closer to family, future-proof living.
Your next chapter doesn't require a bigger home. It requires a home that supports the life you want now.
The next chapter of your life deserves a home that supports it.
Here's what we see too often. People wait until the decision is made for them. A fall, a loss of mobility, a spouse who passes, and suddenly the move isn't exciting. It's exhausting. When you wait, you trade choice for urgency, and that's when regrets enter the story.
The good news? You don't have to figure all this out alone. That's exactly why we created something called the Next Chapter Plan. The plan helps you identify your next ideal living situation, understand your timeline, clarify financial options, decide what to keep, sell, or donate. Move forward without regret.
It's not a sales pitch. It's a conversation designed to give you clarity, even if you're 6, 12, 24 months away from doing anything.
If you're starting to wonder whether this home still supports your life, let's talk.
Book your Next Chapter Plan consultation below. We'll help you understand your options, map the right timing, and make a decision that feels good today and in the years ahead.
No pressure, no commitments, just clarity for your next chapter.
Your next chapter isn't about leaving something behind. It's about moving toward what matters most.
And we're in this journey with you.